This video will cover atypical chronic myeloid leukemia. If you were to say CML out loud, wouldn't it sort of sound like camel? And doesn't this camel look really atypical? Well, this is going to be our anchor for this video. Atypical CML falls under the category of myelodysplastic/myeloproliferative neoplasms. To represent this, we have our symbol for MDS, which is the Happy Meal from the famous fast food restaurant, since the name of the restaurant can easily be shortened to MDS. To represent myeloproliferative neoplasms, there's a billboard in the back here for a company named Metropolitan, which again, if you shorten that name, you get to MPN. Atypical CML is defined as a leukocytosis composed of a spectrum of mature neutrophils, metamyelocytes, myelocytes, promyelocytes, in conjunction with marrow dysplasia, less than 20% blasts, and importantly, the absence of a Philadelphia chromosome. The only part of that I'm going to represent is the absence of the Philadelphia chromosome, since I think the other criteria are fairly straightforward. To represent absence of Philadelphia chromosome, look at this stall here that sells that famous brand of cream cheese. But they're completely out of stock and there's even no worker here. This will help us remember absence of Philadelphia chromosome. The recurring mutations in atypical CML are SETBP1 or SETBP1 and ETNK1. To represent SETBP1 or SETBP1, as in other videos, look at the speedboat here. If you were to shorten the word speedboat, and with a little bit of rearranging, you could get to SETBP. Lastly, to help us remember ETNK1, look at this electric Tonka truck here. Tonka truck will remind us of the TNK portion of ETNK1. And since it is electric, that's going to help us remember the letter E in ETNK1.